The topic of today's video is how to create access tokens in Postman. Alright, so here we are in Postman, and what we want to do is we want to click on View All right over here. And in here we're going to click on Authorization Methods. Now this is my first time opening this up, so I'll have to click on Use Template. Then we want to go to the top and we want to click on Authorization. Here we want to change authorization type from no auth to OAuth 2.0. And then we need to fill out this form, but most importantly, we need to fill out the section over here where it says configure new token. Fill in all of this information here. And once you're done, all you're going to do is scroll all the way down and click on get new access token. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.